Hey guys, let me show you how to make this creamy delicious strawberry banana smoothie. I'll be using strawberries to make this smoothie. You can use frozen strawberry or fresh strawberry. I'll also be using banana. So these are the ingredients I'll be using. You can use ripe banana or frozen banana. So that is what this recipe calls for. Also, we'll be needing yogurt. I'm using plain yogurt. You can use the one with flavor. So I'll be using half cup of yogurt. So I'm using plain yogurt. I'm not using the one with flavor. So what I'm using one banana for this recipe. Peel your banana and cut your banana. As I said, you can use either frozen banana or fresh banana. So I'm going to dice my banana. One of the ingredients can be frozen, one of it can be fresh. So I'm using fresh banana for this. Smoothie is one of those drinks that is very healthy and is full of nutrients. It just fits very simple ingredients. You are going to get a perfect smoothie recipe. I have so many smoothie recipes in my channel. Please do not forget to check them out. So I'll be using frozen strawberry. I'm using 2 cups of frozen strawberries. They are in a jar. In my blender jar, I'm going to add my frozen strawberries. Then I'm going to add my diced banana or my cut banana. Go ahead and add your yogurt, as I said, with flavor or without flavor. If you're allergic to it, you can skip it. So I'm going to go ahead and add yogurt. Then go ahead and add half cup of milk, any milk of your choice that you are not allergic to. I'm going to go ahead and add I'm going to add my milk. Then if you need more sweetener, feel free to add honey. I'm using 1 tablespoon of honey. As I said, if you want it to be more sweet, you can add natural sweetness, which is honey. And the banana is also as very sweet, so you don't really need it if you don't want extra sweetener. So honey is perfect for this smoothie. So I'm going to go ahead and blend this until smooth. If you have any question regarding this strawberry banana smoothie, please don't forget to leave it in the comment section. I'm always here to answer your questions. Please leave it in the comment section. Blend until everything is very creamy and smooth. So strawberry banana smoothie is very healthy and is very delicious. So our strawberry banana is ready. I'm going to serve it in the glass cup to enjoy. If you want to see more of any smoothie, rich flavor smoothie, please check my channel. Leave it in the comment section so you get more updates of my new smoothie recipe. Please do not forget to like this video. This is how to make a strawberry banana smoothie recipe. Very easy. You can take it for breakfast and it tastes very amazing. You can also add whipped cream to it to enjoy your perfect banana strawberry smoothie. If you enjoy this strawberry smoothie, please do not forget to like this video. To see you have questions, please drop it in the comment section. To see more of this, my recipe, my smoothie, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get updated on my new videos, and please remember to share. See you soon in my next recipe.